we have to assign the area load after the completion of the, okay, after the completion of your wall load, we have to move to assign the area load. So area load means what? Slab load. So slab load here it is included as floor finish, and second one is your live load. Live load on all the slabs as 2 kN per meter square. Live load on terrace floor slab 0.75. Live load on all the means SIDL load. Floor finish load we are considering as a SIDL load, superimposed load. Okay, so we are going to assign this floor finish load to the slab unit. You can see here kilonewton per meter square. It is what? Kilonewton per meter square. Kilonewton per meter square. So it is what? Aerial load. It is actually what? It is the aerial load. So go to your ETABS and now go to selector. First, we want to assign the load to all the slab. First, what I'm going to do, just follow me how I can. Okay, let's go with the basic approach. Go to plan, come to ground floor. Let's say apply. Now here, I have to assign the uh, load under the live load pattern is how much? Hello.
2
How
kilonewton.
much intensity of the load we have to assign to the slab
2
as a live load?
Kilonewton.
Hello.
2.
2. So go to your ETABS, select this slab, this slab, this slab, this slab, this slab. Every slab you have to select at this particular floor. Okay. After making the selection of all this slab, you need to go to assign, go to shell load. Here, what? Previously we have assigned the load to the frame. Now we are moving to the shell. Go to shell. Under this shell option, go to uniform. Check this uniform. Under this uniform, see all the load patterns will be available here. Either they live SIDL. If earthquake is there, so earthquake will also be there. If wind is there, so wind also be there. Snow load is there, so snow load pattern will also be there. So under which load pattern you would like to assign the area load or slab load? So I want to assign the under the live load pattern. Check this live and intensity is what? 2. Check this 2 and let's just simply apply. Once you click over this apply, now the assignment has been done. Understood or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay. For all the ground floor slab. Now move to the next floor. Here again I want to select all of this slab. Select all of these slabs. Being all this slab as selected, you have to go to this window again. Again, I am taking the following the procedure. Go to assign, go to shell load. Under the shell load, uniform will be there. Check this uniform, and under the live load pattern, I would like to assign as 2. Let's say apply to the first floor. Okay. Now move to the next upper floor. Select this one. Make sure that you are not selecting the beam. Okay. Only the slab you have to select for the assignment of the live load. Okay, area load. So again, intensity is what? Live load as 2. Done. Now moving to the next, that is what? Your terrace floor. So for the terrace floor, what statement is there? Live load on terrace floor should be what? Hello.
0.75 kilonewton.
0.75. So select this slab, all this slab again at the terrace floor, and after making this all selection, go to this and assign the intensity of the loading what? Hello, 0.75. This is all done. Let's just simply apply. It is what? 0.75. Got it? So this is the procedure how to assign the area load as a live load. Coming back to your ground again, and now at this time we have to assign the floor finish load. Now at this time we have to assign the floor finish load, and the code your problem statement is saying that what? Floor finish load we have to assign to all the slab. This is for all the slab. How much intensity? 1.5 floor finish. So go to your ETABS. Can I select all the slab in once and can assign the load as floor finish to all the slab in once? Will it possible or not? Hello.
Yes, possible, sir.
Yeah. So in smart way, what I would like to do, go to select, go to object type, select all the floors, Select that. Some of you may say that, sir, this will also be selected.
Welcome you all in ISO certified live training program ETABS, RCDC and Excel that makes you a professional structural engineer. In this training program you will learn everything about ETABS and RCDC from basic to advanced, real life project of medium rise structure from architecture plan to final design sheet, real life project of high rise structure with all advanced topics, design of structural elements using advanced Excel sheets. Have a look over the features of this training. Daily live classes conducted by expert for 1.5 hours. Recording of every session with lifetime access. Can interact with expert anytime 24/7. Exposure to real practice. ISO certification of training completion. It's 5-star rated training program. Till now more than 1,000 participants have benefited from this training program. Now you are the next.